Porsche AG set new records for deliveries, revenue and operating results in the 2017 financial year, delivering a total of 246,375 vehicles, plus 4%, and increasing its revenue by 5%, to €23.5 billion. Its operating profit rose by 7% to €4.1 billion. As a result, its operating return on sales increased from 17.4% in the previous year to 17.6%. At the end of 2017, Porsche employed 29,777 people, representing an increase of 8% compared to the previous year. The heart of Porsche beats in Zuffenhausen. That is where the management has its headquarters, and the sports cars and all engines are also built here in northern Stuttgart. The Research and Development Center is situated in Weissach. It has grown substantially over the last few years, as did the second production site of the company in Leipzig, where the Cayenne, Panamera and Macan roll off the assembly lines today. Furthermore, a part of the after-sales division is located at Ludwigsburg as well as the Digital GmbH. The main spare parts warehouse is at Sachsenheim, and Bietigheim-Bissingen is the home of several subsidiaries. The company's main objective is to achieve value-generating growth. Only by achieving such growth can we make sustainable investments in innovative technologies, new products, and most importantly, in our team here at Porsche. With this approach we are already on our way towards rethinking dynamic mobility. We want to excite customers with our products and services. We are also aiming to consolidate our reputation as an excellent employer and business partner that fulfills its social and environmental responsibilities. And the return needs to be sufficient too.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.